Hi, I'm a Ukrainian combat medic. My name is Andriy. In the unit I'm known by the call sign, Litva. How to save a limb in modern warfare. Examples of unnecessary tourniquet use. A tourniquet was applied to stop the bleeding, but no reassessment or replacement of the tourniquet with a bandage was performed thereafter. In modern warfare, rapid evacuation is impossible due to the constant threat of kamikaze drones. Typically, soldiers wait 3 to 48 hours to be evacuated to a hospital. The soldiers followed the march protocol of TCCC correctly, but too many amputations still occur because the tourniquet remains in place for too long without re-evaluation. How to prevent severe amputations and save a limb. First, every soldier must be trained to reassess a tourniquet. A tourniquet should ideally be used no longer than 90 minutes, and no more than 120 minutes whenever possible. The correct approach. First, apply a tourniquet to stop life-threatening bleeding. Then perform a reassessment. If the injury involves toes or fingers, part of the foot or hand, the outer part of an arm or leg where there are few major arteries, then it may be possible to control bleeding with wound hemostatic packing and compression bandaging instead. Tranexamic acid, TXA, can also be used. TXA is available in ampules and helps accelerate blood clotting. You can soak a regular bandage with TXA and apply it to the wound. After that, the tourniquet may be slightly loosened, but not removed. Always monitor skin color and circulation, because bandages themselves can also become too tight. 3. Pain control. Do not administer strong painkillers in such cases. Only paracetamol, meloxicam. If bleeding restarts, reapply or tighten the tourniquet immediately and start a new 2-hour countdown, because once circulation is restored, bleeding can resume. Splinting. If a splint is applied for a fracture, it must immobilize at least 2 joints, not just one. Another major problem: small IFAKs. Most individual first aid kits, IFAKs, are too small. Typically they contain only 1 tourniquet, 1 hemostatic agent, 1 occlusive dressing, 1 to 2 pressure bandages, 1 foil blanket, gloves. This is not enough. P.S. When I was in Denmark for rehabilitation and medical experience exchange, I noticed that many Danish colleagues are extremely inexperienced when it comes to real combat trauma. Their individual medical kits are very small, and most medical supplies are carried in the medic's backpack. This means they rely on 1 combat medic for every 5 soldiers. They have little real experience with traumatic amputations, prolonged tourniquet use, tourniquet syndrome. Their evacuation doctrine often looks like something from Hollywood movies. In reality, their evacuation vehicles would not survive even 30 minutes in an active combat zone. They are heavy, highly visible, and poorly protected against cheap FPV kamikaze drones.